Hello, here's Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. And as I promised you when we made the first video about me using berberine, um, it's time now after nearly 9 months, what my experience for my diabetes slash pre-diabetes with berberine. I take, or I'm taking 3 capsules of berberine every day in the morning, the afternoon, and before I go to bed. You should, I mean, I'm extremely flexible when I take it, but the best effects you will have when you take it a half an hour before you eating, half an hour before your breakfast, for your lunch, or for your dinner. So, but with my experience, I take it whenever I have the feeling to. The effect is enormous. When you look at my old video, you see the doctor told me, oh my God, your diabetes, your fasting sugar, that's when you jump out of the bed in the morning, was 200. And she started, metformin, Ozempic, and whatever. And I said, well, stop right here. And I started taking my berberine. Berberine took my fasting blood sugar 45% down. So right now, till today, my blood sugar in the morning, my fasting sugar, is between 95 and 100. So it works. It works for me. As I said, I'm talking about myself. What I have done, of course, you have to change a little bit your sugar. You cannot take the tea and the coffee with all the sugar in it. You have to reduce the sweets, the desserts, and such. And I did everything. It's hard, but I'm not taking any sugar in my coffee anymore or in my tea. I'm not drinking soda anymore. I'm drinking water, tap water, or my German sparkling water, Gerolsteiner. But other than this, I did not do anything else. I'm measuring my blood sugar. I'm down to 1 time in the morning, because when I started, I was so focused on, oh my God, and I measured it 3-4 times a day, right?
Yes.
So, Ken is behind the camera, sorry.
Hello, everyone.
So right now I'm measuring it just in the morning for my fasting sugar, and this is my only time I'm measuring my blood sugar, not 3-4 times. It's a little bit expensive with all the thing you have the needles and the measuring thing. You can do it whenever you think it's okay, but I'm reducing it to just in the morning. A side effect from berberine is, and I'm sure you can see that if you see older videos from me, I lost, and I think it's 75 pounds. I went down, as you can see, I went down from 240 pounds to 165 pounds, which is from this morning when I measuring my weight. So it is a side effect. But I have to tell you, because I had customer, they were asking or thinking about, oh, then I'm taking berberine and I'm losing weight like you did. No, don't do that, because this is just a side effect. It will lower your blood sugar. And if you don't have pre-diabetes or you don't have diabetes and you're taking berberine, the capsules or the tinctures, you're taking it just to lose weight, you can drop down dangerously your blood sugar. And this is something I would not, I will not sell it to you if you want to take it just to lose weight. There are other options we have here to lose weight, like teas or other tinctures, but not berberine just for weight loss. What I have done now, we have not just the berberine capsules, we also have now berberine tinctures. I made the tincture because sometimes you don't want to swallow the capsules 3 times a day, or you think it's easier for myself to use a tincture. The tincture is made with alcohol out of the root. So here we have the powder, which is made out of the roots, and here I have the root infused in alcohol. You have to use alcohol because otherwise the goodies are not coming out of the roots. So if you for any reason are unable to use alcohol, or you don't like the taste, then the best option would be here, the berberine capsules. So, anything else I forgot?
Well, all together,
Well,
blood pressure down, blood sugar down.
okay, yeah. Summary of all of them, I'm the best example for this. For me, it works. My blood pressure, blood sugar went down 45%. I was losing, as a positive side effect for myself, so much weight from 240 pounds down to 165 pounds. And I don't want to say I feel better. Okay, I feel better with the weight loss, but I didn't have any feeling sick or illness when I had blood sugar, the diabetes, because you don't feel it. There is no way that you say, oh, it hurts here, or I'm feeling, no. Most of the people, I would say nearly 80% of the people, they have pre-diabetes or diabetes, and they don't know it. We checked it with Ken just to make sure. He's perfect, like he is with everything. He has no diabetes, no pre-diabetes, no nothing. So I, from my own experience, can really, really tell you it works. It works for me, and we have even customer, they say, it works perfect for me as well. But as always, and you know what's coming now, I am your master herbalist. I'm not a doctor, and I cannot and I will not give you any medical advice. If you want to use berberine and you are already on metformin or Ozempic, talk to your doctor, ask him, or ask Dr. Google. You can see berberine is all over the place. It's at the moment, I think, the number one you can use beside metformin or Ozempic with nearly no side effects. I would say I don't have any side effects. You could have side effects like diarrhea or a stomach issue that it hurts a little bit. I never ever, and I swear I never ever had any side effects. Never. So it depends on each person's body, how you react to different medication or supplements. But from my own experience, and this is the video we are talking about, I don't have any side effects besides losing weight, but I repeat myself. So if you are interested or you want to know more about it, write me and you can call me or visit us in our Herbs on Wheels. So the berberine capsules, they are 60 capsules in this container, and you are taking, for the beginning, maybe 2 capsules to see how your body is reacting. I'm taking 3 capsules, and in the berberine tincture, there is always 2 ounces in it, and you take 1 to 3 dropper, and you get the dropper per day. So other than this, I think, did I forget anything?
I think you wanted to say maybe our next one will be how to make yourself a own DIY weight loss tea or something like that.
We already have videos about our weight loss tea. So maybe you want to scroll down or search in our YouTube channel. We just loaded up a new video just this morning. This one will be the one about my update for berberine. So if you have any question or anything, write in the comments or send me a message, call me. What?
They can reach you on Facebook.
Well, yeah, I'm on Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere. So just contact me or contact us. And if you have any question, any medical question, don't ask me. Go to the doctor. Because as I said, I cannot and I will not give you any medical advice. So for this, I think we are done. I'm done. And I wish you the best and love and light.
Love and light.
Ute and Ken from Utes-Herbal-Corner. Ciao, ciao.